Fresh white lines in the morning sun, covering scars we can't outrun. Same old boards, different shade, fences painted white again. I walk the yard with a borrowed brush. Quiet house, but the paint smells new. Every stroke brings back a voice saying, son, some things are up to you. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Summer days in cut-off jeans. Dad laughed loud, Mom kept time. We drip paint on the grass, swore we'd fix it all next time. Didn't know we were sealing in every memory. Fences painted white again, hiding cracks and old regrets. Not to lie, but to remind. Love can heal what time forgets. If forgiveness had a color, it looks something like this. Bright enough to face the truth, soft enough to miss. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Bells on Sunday morning ring slow across the field, calling hearts that need forgiving, saying things we never hear. I sit alone in the second pew, same old hymn, different view. Hands more tight, hair more gray, still praying the same old way. Church bells on Sunday morning sound like home to me. Every note a reminder of who I tried to be. Mama pressed my Sunday shirt, Daddy parked behind the line. I swung my feet above the floor, learning grace before my time. Didn't know those wooden doors were teaching me what matters more. Church bells on Sunday morning ringing loud and clear. Even when I wander far, they still find my ear. If heaven's got a waiting room, I know what it sounds like there. Soft bells and whispered amens floating through the air. Church bells on Sunday morning don't judge, they just remind. No matter how far I've fallen, grace still keeps time. Bells fade out, world moves on. The faith still hum, soft and strong. Sparks climb up to a midnight sky. Pine smoke curls as the daylight dies. Boots in a circle, no need to speak. Night knows what we need. Campfire nights long ago, where the truth burns slow. Every light, every scar felt closer under the stars. I strike a match just now and then for the quiet more than the flame. Same old stories still show up when the world gets loud again. Funny how a simple fire can light the hole inside. Bent tin cups and off-key songs, passing secrets all night long. Talking brave, dreaming wide, swearing we never say goodbye. Campfire nights long ago taught us more than we were told. Every spark touched the dark, left a mark on who we'd grow. If I could sit there one more time with smoke in my eyes and hope in my chest, I'd thank that fire for showing me how to feel at rest. Those campfire nights long ago ain't ashes, just a glow. Still they warm me when I'm cold, still they teach me what I know. Stars hold on, night still hums that song. Coffee strong, the light comes in. Floorboard squeaks an old AM hymn. Dial won't turn, but somehow plays yesterday in little waves. A broken radio in the kitchen plays the songs we couldn't fix. Half the words, lots of feeling, still know every bit. It's still there by the window frame, missing knobs but not its place. I hum along to what it finds, filling gaps with my own time. Funny how a crackled sound can bring a whole life down. Mama danced with a dish rack tune, Daddy sang off-key too. News and weather, late night shows, mixed with love we never spoke. Broken radio in the kitchen, static where the truth should be. Every skip and sudden silence sounds like home to me. If I could tune the past back clear, I might lose what matters most. Guess some songs are meant to fade and leave the warmth not noticed. If I could tune the past back clear, I might lose what matters most. Guess some songs are meant to fade and leave the warmth not known. Blades sighing open air, sky spans wide, no one there. Every turn knows what it brings. Echoes in the windmill blades, echoes in the windmill blades. Call my name and then fade. Every sound's a memory, learning how to stay. Fence leans low, well runs dry. Same old wind, a different sky. I stand still, let the day turn me slow that way. Funny how the moving air keeps what's there. Cows would shade, noon would hum. Summer heat, the work half done. That creek above the watering tin kept us company. Echoes in the windmill blades never spoke too loud, just enough to let us know we weren't alone out there. If I ever fear the quiet or doubt the open land, I remember how that turning sound took me by the hand. Those echoes in the windmill blades ain't stuck in yesterday. They turn with me, reminding me to move, but stay. Wind slows down, blades still spin, echoes stay within. wind whispers through the old backyard. Quilt flutters in the morning sun. Grandma's quilt on the line, patch by patch, stitch by stitch, colors faded, edges worn, yet every square still tells a story rich. I remember her humming softly, rocking chair creaking slow, while the morning light danced over seams and the autumn leaves would blow. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Running through the yard with bare feet, chasing shadows in the sun. We'd hide beneath the quilt's folds, laughing, pretending we'd won. The smell of cotton and warmth of home etched deep in my mind. Moments like these in the quiet wind are treasures hard to find. The quilt may fray, the colors fade, but her love remains in every thread she made. Hanging now for the world to see, a symbol of home and who I'll always be. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Even in the wind, her love lingers, stitched into every fold. Every fold. Faded hearts and crooked lines have a sun, a crooked sign. Rain don't know what it erased. Chalk on the sidewalk faded. Street looks wider than before, new paint on the neighbor's door. I step careful where we once played, like I might smudge yesterday. Funny how the light is had, can't defend. Chalk on the sidewalk faded, but I still see the art. Every line we ever drew, still coloring my heart. Hopscotch dreams and counting feet, summer heat on concrete streets. We believe those stick figure plans could outlast the rain. Chalk on the sidewalk faded, wasn't meant to stay, just a borrowed bit of magic for a younger day. If I could draw one thing again before the storm comes through, I'd sketch a door that always leads back home to you. The chalk on the sidewalk faded, taught me what is true. Some things are meant forever, just long enough to move you. Rain dries up, lines are gone, memories live on. Barefoot morning, sun on my skin, mama's call drifting on the southern wind. Old screen door singing when it slammed too hard. Every dream fell closer in a beat up yard. Time was slow, hearts were brave. We didn't know what we'd lose, what we'd save. Down that dusty lane where the wild grass grew, I learned who I was before I knew you. Rusty bikes, paper planes, laughing loud through the summer rain. Yeah, life was plain, but it felt so right. Childhood on the dusty lane every night. Granddad stories on a wooden chair, coffee strong and a preacher's prayer. Radio faded from the mailbox wall. I drive by slow, kill the engine sound. Here goes the kids that I once found. And the road is paved, the town feels long. Some names faded from the mailbox wall. I drive by slow, kill the engine sound. Here goes the kids that I once found. Down that dusty lane, I close my eyes, see younger me under endless skies. If I could stay, I swear I'd remain in that moment before the pain. Yeah, life moved on, but my heart still stays with childhood on a dusty lane. Yeah, gravel pops under worn out tire. Memory burns like an old campfire. I wave goodbye, but I whisper your name. Childhood on the dusty lane.
Hinges sigh in afternoon shade. Roses lean, the latch half bent. Every sound comes back my way. By the garden gate, echoes by the garden gate. Call me home, words we left in open air, never gone. I don't knock like I once did. Time's taught me where to sit. I wait a second, hear my name in the quiet. Funny how the open space holds a face. Running through with muddy shoes, mama's laugh, the evening news. We swing that gate a little wide, let the day come in. Echoes by the garden gate, soft and true, teaching me the way back in. There's always you. If I ever doubt this place or where I've been, I lean into that creaking sound and hear us again. Those echoes by the garden gate still remain, hoping every year I've lived like yesterday. Gate swings once, then settles late. stays by the gate. White dust floating in the light. Love don't measure, love just knows. That room feels smaller than before. Same old stove, same creaking floor. But when I breathe, I'm made once more. Somehow, some prayers never spoke out loud. They're made with hands. Grandma's hands in the flour, turning minutes into hours. Every meal a kind of power that fed us. Apron strings and Sunday hums. Windows open, morning comes. She'd smile soft, say help yourself, and mean it. Those grandma's hands in the flour held the house through every storm. Built a world warm and sure around us. If heaven smells like anything, bread and time and remembering. Love passed down in simple things like this. Rolling pin, quiet song. Grandma's hands in the flour still guide me when I'm unsure, teaching me what matters more than words. Table clear, the light grows dim. Her love stays on my skin. Turned up sorrel, evening chill. Fence posts leaning by their wheel. Names we spoke then laid aside, where the roots in silence hide. Buried by the fence row, no one looks around. Some things don't need a marker to stay in the ground. I walk a line where we still grow, count the steps from long ago. Don't say much, just let it be. Ground remembers more than me. Funny how the dirt still knows what the heart won't show. Daddy said some things don't last, dug that hole and turned his back. I was young, I didn't ask, just learned how silence acts. Buried by the fence row, with prayers we never said. Some truths live their whole damn lives between the living and the dead. snowplow ever hits that spot and it brings it all to light, I hope the sun knows how to hold what we buried out of sight. They're buried by the fence road, ain't shame, it's time. Just a chapter laid to rest on the far side of the line. Wind goes still, crows don't sound, fence row keeps the ground. Digging, talking wooden walls, afternoon light on crochet shawls. Every second learn to stay in Grandma's house. Grandma's clock still ticking, same old sound, keeps the past right where it was, safe and found. Houses quiet, keys in hand. I don't visit like I planned, but that clock still counts me in when I step back then. Funny how the slowest things mean everything. Sunday naps and lemon tea, stories told repeatedly. I'd watch that hand go round and round, thinking time was ours. Grandma's clock still ticking through the years, measuring the love we had, not the fears. If I ever rush the day or wish the hour's gone, I remember how she smiled, said, "Child, it's just moving on." Grandma's clock's still ticking inside my chest, teaching me the longest ways are often best. Tick, then tock, the house stands still. Time keeps love and always will. Hinges sigh in afternoon shade, roses lean, the latch half bent, Every sound comes back my way by the garden gate. Echoes by the garden gate. Call me home. Words we left in open air, never gone. I don't knock like I once did. Time's taught me where to sit. I wait a second, hear my name in the quiet. Funny how the open space holds a face. Running through with muddy shoes, mama's laugh, the evening news. We'd swing that gate a little wide, let the day come in. Echoes by the garden gate, soft and true, teaching me the way back in was always you. If I ever doubt this place or where I've been, I lean into that creaking sound and hear us again. Those echoes by the garden gate still remain, hoping every year I've lived like yesterday. Gate swings once, then settles late. Echo stays by the gate. Back and forth on the creaking floor, evening light through the screen door. Every sway hums an old refrain. Grandpa's rocking chair sings again. Chair still there by the window pane. Paint worn thin, but it feels the same. I sit a while, let the world slow down. Listen close to that gentle sound. Funny how the quiet knows things no sermon ever told. Grandpa's rocking chair song never needed words. Taught me how to wait my turn and listen more than heard. He'd rock soft with a knowing smile. Say stay put, let it take a while. Didn't preach, didn't raise his tone. Let the silence lead me home. Grandpa's rocking chair song played from lesson learned on how to carry on. If I ever rush too fast or forget what matters true, I slow my steps and hear that chair rock me back to you.
That grandpa's rocking chair song still rocks me today, teaching me the strength it takes to move slow on the way. Night moves in, chair sways long, time hums low, a song.
Wooden wheels on a dusty lane, every creek calls out a name. I've been carrying who I was in a wagon full of memory. I pull it slow through changing days. Some things lost, some things stay. Can't haul it all, but I try, choosing what gets to ride. A wagon full of memories, everybody moves with me. Every mile, every bend tells me where I've been. Hand-me-downs and laughter loud, old quilts folded, promises vowed, packed with hope and stubborn dreams, more than what it ever seemed. Funny how the weight I bear feels lighter when I care. A wagon full of memories ain't meant to race or flee. It just rolls at its own pace, like a life that learned to be. If I stop and let some go, it don't mean they're gone. Some things right inside my chest when the wagon's drawn. If I stop and let some go, it don't mean they're gone. Some things right inside my chest when the wagon's drawn. A wagon full of memories don't need shiny wheels or speed, just a road, a little faith, for what I need. Wheels roll on, daylight dims, memories hum like hymns. dancing in the light. Wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards. Felt like forever back before. Chalk dust and memories on my hands, in my head. Lessons more than numbers are the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name. Lockers rust but feel the same. I passed that school on my way home. Slow down more than I let on. Funny how the smallest sign teaches the longest line. Missed the bus, erased mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test we took. Chalk dust memories smudge the years, but stay. Every wrong and every right still graze me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. Chalk dust and memories ain't clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays. Dusty rose and a faded sun, where laughter lingered and days were young. I drive these back roads slow tonight. The fields all golden in the fading light. Old barns and fences, memories they hold. Stories of a life we once called gold. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again, through the echoes of laughter and old friends. Every mile takes me where I long to stay, on the back road to yesterday. The creek still whispers under the bridge, and the swing by the oak hasn't moved an inch. I hear the songs we used to play, and see the faces that never stayed. Sunset feels like a friend, guiding me gently to the places I've been. Through the dust and the time that slips away, I chase the back roads, I can't let them stray. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again, through the echoes of laughter and old friends. Every mile takes me where I long to stay, on the back roads to yesterday. Rusty hum in the break of dawn, diesel dreams and a baseball cap. Every field had a melody, Grandpa sang it on that old tractor. That machine's parked by the barn, tire low but the paint's still proud. I hear his tune in the engine knob when the world gets too loud. Grandpa's tractor song rolls slow but strong, taught me work ain't just for pay, it's how you love all day. Sun up sweat on an open field, grease-stained hands, a crooked grin. You tap time on the steering wheel like the land was listening. Didn't know I was learning life, one furrow at a time. Grandpa's tractor song, simple notes but long. Every mile it rolled along, carried right from wrong. If I ever forget where I stand, or why I still believe, I follow tire tracks through the dust, back to what he gave to me. If I ever forget where I stand, or why I still believe, I'll follow tire tracks through the dust, back to what he gave to me. dust in the air. Late afternoon, cardboard boxes, old perfume. I found your name in crooked ink, and every word made time stand still. A letter found in the attic said the things you never said. Folded dreams and second chances, written long before we bled. The house is quiet, roof still leaks, same old creaks along the stairs. I wonder if you ever knew I'd end up finding you up there. Some truths wait till it's too late. You wrote about leaving in the spring, chasing work in younger days. Said you'd come back before the frost, but life got in the way. A letter found in the attic, yellowed lines, a steady hand. I heard your voice between the words, trying hard to be a man. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. The letter found in the attic didn't break me, didn't mend. It just showed me who you were and who I've always been. I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. Wooden steps in a single boat, dust and beams, the air gone still. One small wheel won't turn no more. In the attic, a broken toy truck in the attic, rusted red, hauled my dreams from room to room before I knew where I was boxes labeled keeping old. Funny what we never sold. I hold it like it might still run if I believe enough. Funny how the smallest things outlast everything. Gravel driving afternoon, dirt packed roads inside my room. I'd crash it once, then tape it twice. Swore it'd be just fine. That broken toy truck in the attic never quit. It taught me how to carry on with a crooked wheel and grit. If I could win the years back slow and set that axle straight, I'd still let it break the same, so I'd learn how to wait. Broken toy truck in the attic still rolls on. And every road I've ever taken since that day was gone. Light clicks off, the dust settles down. Wheels rest quiet, but the road's around.